Hello, crypto enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to be talking about network new AI update and what you must do to get your KYC slot. Right? This video is for those who haven't gotten their KYC slot, people who are hoping to somehow get their KYC slot and perform their KYC. Now, if you don't want to miss out on important information I'm going to be releasing in this very video, then make sure you pay attention to the very end of this video. If this is your first time stopping by, then make sure you subscribe and turn your notifications on, because more updates are going to be coming and I'm going to be covering everything right here on this very channel. Now, what is this new AI update of Bee network? Now, if you look over here, you will see that there is a bee right here, this very hovering bee, and for you to get this very update right now, of course you have to update your app on Google Play Store. As easy as that, right? So let's head back to the Bee network app right now. Now, this very AI update is an update that has to do with an AI chatbot, and this very chatbot is called the Bee chatbot. This is it right here. You can see this very bee hovering right here. Now, if I click on this is going to lead us to the chatbot, but I just want to open this very news right here so you guys can see what this very update is talking about. So it says, "Hey buddy, it's me, your companion AI from Bee network. I just popped out of my digital hive and I'm buzzing like crazy to say hi. Thanks for letting me crash into your world." This is a short update, so I'm just going to read it real quick. "I'm your super chill buddy who is always here to listen, hype you up. Try tap that flying bee, maybe. I'll reply super fast unless I'm sleeping. Right now, I'm still learning things, so build my silly mix up, okay? The more you chat, the more smarter I get, and the better I understand you. Come say hi already. I'm vibrating with excitement to be your bestie with a whole vibe of love, your loyal AI body." So this is your AI body right here, and this very AI body right now is going to help assist you answer questions regarding anything you need to know about Bee network, and even question that is out of line. Now, this very new update right here added some apps right here. You can see for yourself. Now, these very apps are probably sponsored apps, right? And these are apps you can engage it if you choose to, right? But it's not compulsory. If I click on this very bee right now, this is going to lead us to the AI chatbot. It says I'm listening, right? I'm just going to stop talking for a while so it can lead us to this very chatbot. I'm going to show you another way to actually access this very chatbot. So once it shows this, you can now go ahead and select only this time.
"Hey, I'm right here with you. What's on your mind?"
So if I click on that hovering bee right now, this is going to lead us to an AI chatbot, right? And this is where we'll be able to ask questions and our questions would get answered. But because I'm actually recording, I won't be able to do this, because if I decide to speak, this is going to turn off my microphone. So I'm going to quickly show you another way to do this, right? So another way you can actually access this AI assistant is by going to this very top right hand corner of your screen right here and clicking on this settings gear. Once you click on this is going to bring you to this very page. Then you scroll down right now and you click on this very one that says AI assistance. Now, if you click on it, this is going to bring you to this very page. So if you have any question, you can just ask the AI chatbot your question and those questions would get answered, right? So let me head back right now. So another thing I need to show you right here is the KYC. A lot of us are really worried about the Bee network KYC, and I'm going to be taking my time to break this down for you so you can understand what to do and what to expect, right? Now, here's what you need to know. First off, there's an old rule of Bee network. There was a certain time they released an update and they talked about having at least 1000 Bee tokens before you be able to get your KYC slots. Now, if you don't have at least 1000 Bee tokens, then you won't be able to get the KYC slot. Although most people feel that this rule doesn't apply anymore, but I genuinely feel that this can also affect the KYC process, right? Your chance of getting your KYC slot will be very slim if you don't have up to 1000 Bee tokens. So if you don't have up to 1000 Bee tokens, you just have to keep mining and hoping that you would get that, right? Now, this is the Bee tokens we are talking about, right? And you need to have at least 1000 of these very Bee tokens, as simple as that. Now, another thing you also need to know is that you need to mine for at least 7 days, right? You need to mine for at least 7 days so that the system would understand that you are active, right? The Bee algorithm would get the information that this very user is actually active, right? 7 days of consistent mining can trigger the KYC slot. Now, another important thing you need to know, which is the third, is if you come to the settings section right here. In fact, this is the most important, because if you don't do it, you won't get the KYC. But I just decided to explain these two first because we are on the Bee network home screen. So let's go over to the gear icon right here, and I'm just going to scroll down right now. Now, there's this section of the Bee network app right here that says account and security. Now, pay attention to this very section. Now, this very section is where you actually bind your social media accounts. Now, if you don't bind at least 2 social media accounts, you won't be able to get the KYC slot, right? it's good to bind a social media account, but it's important to bind at least two, right? This is what will trigger the system, and this could also affect when you receive your KYC slot, right? Even during the KYC process, when we did ours about 2 years ago, we were asked to bind at least two of our social media accounts. This is the process that confirms that you are a real human and not a robot, right? Or a cloned account or something. Now, if you want to see whether or not you've got the KYC slot, this is where you are meant to come to. This very section that says KYC verification. Now, there's also another important tip you need to know, which is the fourth tip, right? Now, what you need to know is that these KYC slots are mostly released in the morning, somewhere around 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. I would say 5 a.m. for the best timing, right? This very KYC slot is usually released in the morning, 5 a.m. generally around the world. So if you know that you meet all these criteria I just mentioned, which is mining consistently, you have over 1,000 bitcoins, and you have also linked at least two of your social media accounts, then what you need to do is to come over here and make sure that you always check for the KYC slot. This is very important. There was once a time they created an event called Get Your KYC, something like that. I can't really remember. And this event was in the event center of Bee Network. Now, if you come over to the Bee Network event center, you won't really see that very event anymore. And when that event was available, I really mentioned it. I talked about it. I preached about it. I asked people to take the event serious because it could end anytime. And if it does, your chances of getting the KYC slot is very slim, right? And that event actually lasted for months, and people that actually did it mostly caught their KYC slot and performed their KYC. Another thing you need to also know is that I have created a video on how to perform the Bee Network KYC, two videos actually, and you'll find those videos in the description of this very video. I'll also leave those videos in the pinned comments of this very video. It's a part 1 and part 2, right? But more explanation goes into the part 2 because I made sure I simplified everything in part 2. But I would advise you to watch both videos to better understand the process, right? So if you get the KYC slot, I have a video for that on how to pass the KYC so you don't make mistake at all. The video is 2 years old, the other one is about 1 year old, but the information passed in the video still applies till this very day, right? So you want to really go watch that very video. So this is the information I want to pass to you guys today. Bee Network just carried out an update, and in this very update, we now have the AI assistant, and not just the AI assistant, they made us to know that KYC is now rolling out, right? This very April, KYC is rolling out to a lot of users, and trust me, you want to be one of those who perform their KYC, right? You have to make sure you mine consistently. You have to make sure that your B balance has crossed at least 1,000. You have to make sure that at least 2 of your social media account is bound, and you have to make sure that you always check that very KYC section. As you can see right now, my mining just ended, and I'm going to click this to restore the mining, and this is it. So yeah, this is basically it. If you have any question at all, feel free to ask. If you really got valuable information from this very video, do well to leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this very channel right now, right? Subscribe and turn that notification bell on. One more thing before we leave this very video, final note, engaging in the Bee Network SP mining is very important. I talked about this in my previous video, and I feel that you should do this. It's very important. Now, how do you engage or participate in the Bee Network SP mining? You have to come over to the explore section right here. This is it at the bottom right hand corner of your screen, and then you go to Bee Network site, which is bee.com, right? Bee.com, and this is going to actually lead you to the Bee Network site. But at the moment, this is actually showing a blank screen on my end, right? I'm going to create a video to address this, right, on how I was able to resolve this, right? But let me quickly just head over to this very bee.com site right now and show you how this looks like. So this is actually how this looks like, and I'm going to go ahead and click on this very one that says check in right here, right? This very one that says check in, this is what you're meant to click on. And if you click on this right now, you can see that I have claimed everything for today. I really have little because I discovered this late, right? I discovered this late, and I've been having issue trying to log into this very site. Reason I have little right here. Okay, so yeah, but you want to come over to this Bee Network SP right now and make sure that you claim the XP. I also created a video for this, which I would also be leaving in the description of this very video, right? Or you can check the card up on the top right hand corner of the screen right now and access that very video. I'll leave my link so you can join the Bee Network XP program, right? What you're meant to do is to come over to the Bee Network app right now. And once it opens up, come over to the explore section right here. And then come over to this very search bar right here. You see a link in the description of this video that says Bee Network SP invite link. Copy that very link and paste it in this very section right here, right? This very search bar right here, just paste it right here, and this will lead you directly to the Bee Network site if you're doing this for the first time, and you would automatically be part of my team, right? We mine together, and once you claim more of this SP, this could affect your allocation. This could also determine how much or how many tokens you get out of the Bee Network mining project. So you have to take this very serious, right? So this is the final information I want to pass for today. So thank you for watching this video to this very moment. That you watch this video to this very moment shows that you are tirelessly working to improve your life, and I believe that with time we're all gonna get it right. Keep on looking for more information, keep on digging, and trust me, we would all win together. It's just a matter of time. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.